Hey everyone, welcome back to Shreya Coder, and in today's video we are going to deep dive into while loops, one of the most important topics of Python. We have two types of loop, but in this video we will cover while loops. So without wasting any time, let's start coding. Loops in Python allow us to repeat a block of code multiple times, and one of the most powerful type of loop is the while loop. So now let's see the syntax of while loop, means how we write while loop, what code we have to type to start writing the loop. So we simply write while, and we will also write the condition here, which condition we are giving, like while condition, right? Like I am writing a while true, then colon, and then I'll write the code here, means code block, which will be the program. So let's see this using a simple program. For example, I'm here making a basic counting program. Okay, so let's make this one. So here I'll give I is equals to 1, then I'll give while, this is while loop, while, then I'll give the condition I is smaller than equals to 10, then print I, right? And the another condition that I'll write here is I plus is equals to 1. It means it will print me numbers till 10 if it is smaller, if I is smaller than 1. So let's print this. So you can see the numbers are printed here, 1 to 10. So this is how we made a basic counting program. So let's type 11 here. So it will not work because we have given if I is smaller than 10, then this program will work, either it will not work. So this is how basic counting program work, basically while loops. So now we know how we write a while loop, but what are the common mistakes one can do creating a while loop? So here let's create another while loop. I is equals to, I am giving here, first let's give it again as 10. It will, no, 10 means 1. Don't print me this. Now I'll make another while loop, which is I is equals to, I am giving here as 20, right? Then while I'll give I smaller than equals to 20, print me I. Okay, so this is the program I have written. Now I'll print this. So let's see, let's wait for the result. So you can see it's printing me for infinity of times, means this loop will never end. Like it will never end, it will continue forever. You can see it will never end, it will continue. So now to remove this error, this is the error because we cannot write anything after infinite loop will work. So to remove this error, we always have to write increment here, which is this I, we are giving values again. So I'll write simply 1 here and simply print it. So here I've given 20, let's give it to 1 and print me 1 to 20, right? See, it's giving me 1 to 20, and if I will give here as 2, so it will give me the numbers after gap of 2. So let's print 2 here also. So you can see using while loop we created a table of 2 also, multiplication of 2. This is how while loops can change anything. So this is the common mistake that everyone does making loops, because this I is called increment. Remember this, and if we are not incrementing it, so it will be an infinite while loop. So now let us make a user input validation program, which will be in practical example to know more about while loops. So let's start building it. We'll give while true first, right? I've written while true, then colons. True should be always in capital letter, means T should be capital, where you'll write while true. So then we'll write user input is equals to int input. Okay, in input, enter a number, right? Enter a number. So let's make this one. Next, what we'll give, if user input, if user input is digit, we have used this in conditional statements also, then it will print me thank you. Okay, then it will print me thank you. Else, what it will print me? Else it will print me please enter a valid number, right? Print me this. So this is the program. Let's check it. So enter number, let's give name here. So yeah, write this. Okay, so it is giving me an error. What there? Invalid literal for int means it's invalid, but if we remove this, even you can check. Okay, I have written int here to convert in numbers, so that's why it is giving me this error. So next I'll write Shreya again here. So please enter valid numbers, so means this program is working here, and again enter a number is shown. So how many times I give wrong input, it will always run this enter a number again. So like a b, then please enter a number. You can write for many times, but if I give this as 2, then it will be thank you, and again it will print me enter a number if I want to move forward with any other number. So this program can be used many times in your program. So this is how while loops work here also. So now let's learn about break and continue statements. So first of all, this is the same program we made, input validation, user input validation program. So here it was going on infinity times. It was not stopping even if we were putting a digit there. So to stop this, we will use break statement here, break, and then just simply print enter a number. So we'll enter 23, then thank you. It will not return me else print or again the user input one. So this is how we stop this. So now let's make a new program to make you understand continuous statements. So here simply write I is equals to 0. Okay, then while I is smaller than equals to, okay, 10, let's give 10 here. I plus is equals to 1. If, we'll write if condition here, if I is equals to 5, let's write 4 here, 4, then I'll write continue and then print me I. Okay, so this is how I use continue here. Let's print this. So let you check the numbers. Can you see 4 here? No, it will not be printing because we have given 4 in if condition. This means continue is working here as I have given if is equals to 4, continue the loop, but I don't want 4 in my counting series. Like here I have written here 0 to 10, but I don't want any number. In that case I'll use continue, and these break and continue statements are always used to get more flow of our loops. So that's a wrap for today. We have covered everything from basics to practical examples and everything you need to know about while loops. And if this video helped you clarify your understanding for while loops, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Shreya Coder and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding. Bye bye.